Hey Divi Nation, and welcome to this next installment of our ongoing Divi Design Initiative, where each week we give away a brand new free Divi Layout Pack straight from our design team to you. This week we have for you a brand new Apothecary Layout Pack we think you'll enjoy. The Apothecary Layout Pack will help anyone get an apothecary shop or website online with ease. You can use it to promote those natural products and services, book appointments, and much more. Plus, the design of each page layout displays a balance of earthy color schemes, bold fonts, and custom graphics that work well for this niche. So check it out today, and I hope you enjoy it. All right, now join me in this next part of the video where I show you how you can add this new Apothecary Layout Pack on your own website. All right, now before you can start adding pre-made layouts to your website from the Divi Builder, you must first authenticate your Elegant Themes subscription, which you can do by going to Divi Theme Options, and then click the Updates tab. There you'll have to enter your username and API key, and then click Save Changes. And once done, you'll have access to all of our pre-made layouts without any problems. Now you're ready to start the process of creating all of your pages and then add those corresponding pre-made layouts from the Apothecary Layout Pack to those pages. Let's get started by going to Pages, Add New. Go ahead and give your page a title and then click to use the Divi Builder. Select the option Choose a Pre-made Layout. And from the Load from Library pop-up, scroll and find the new Apothecary Layout Pack and select it. On the right, you'll see a preview of all the different layouts included in the pack. Go ahead and select the one you want, and then make sure when you're ready to click Use this layout. And once the layout has been loaded to the page, you can make any edits you would like right now, or you can simply save it or publish it and continue the same process to create all of your pages and add those pre-made layouts to each of those pages. And once all of your pages have been created and all of those corresponding pre-made layouts have been added to each of those pages, you are ready to create a main menu for your website. To do that, go over to Appearance, Menus. Give your new menu a name and then click Create Menu. On the left, you'll see a list of all the pages you've created. Go ahead and select all of them and add them to your menu. Under your menu structure area, you can organize your menu items however you like. And don't forget to set the display location to primary menu and then click Save Menu. And once that's done, you're ready for the next and final step, which is to create a static home page for your website. To do that, go over to Settings, Reading. Under your homepage displays, select a static page, and then for the homepage, select the homepage with that corresponding homepage layout, and then click Save Changes. And now your new website is up and running with the new Apothecary Layout Pack. All right, that's it for this video. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. We sure do hope that you love the new Layout Pack. Don't forget to subscribe to our blog newsletter, our YouTube channel, and like us on Facebook. That way you don't miss out on any future freebies we'll be throwing your way. Thanks again for watching. We look forward to seeing you in our next video.